your communication skill is good. So why are you using this application? Because you have already achieved
Actually,
your goal.
no, actually not yet. Actually, I would like to highlight one point that till last year, November, my English was that much horrible. You can't even imagine that I am here. No.
Oh, tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation. Why it is happening with you? So the biggest reason behind this problem is lack of practice. Yes, you heard right. More a person speaks in English, so better he become fluent in English. But there is a problem like ma'am, I have not an English speaking environment. I have no one with whom I can practice in English. So that's why I'm not able to speak in English. So friends, when I was learning this language, I was facing this type of issue like I had not an English speaking environment. I had no one with whom I could speak in English. So what I did, I found one application and I used this application a lot. And yes, in this way, I improved my English speaking skill. I did practice each and every day with this application, and so the application which I'm going to share with you in this video name is CB. So friends, in this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application, and this is free and cost application. You don't need to go anywhere for downloading or purchasing this application. You should, you can use this application according to your timetable, and this is free and cost and trusted application. Okay, so for this what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write CB, and now I'm going to show you how to use this application. Okay, so for this you need to go to the Play Store and write CB. Okay, and actually I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So first you need to download this application on your mobile phone, and yes, it will ask some information. You should give all the information, and believe me, this is trusted application. Okay, it's not a fake application. So when I open CB application, okay, so yes, you can see the logo of this application. Yes, when you open this application you will find two feature like practice with real person and practice with AI. Okay, and when you touch practice with AI, so yes, it will ask some money. And okay, there are some conversation, you can see there are many conversation, but for this you need to give some money. You need to take membership, but don't you, if you have not money, then you just use this application like a feature like practice with partner. Okay, and this is free and cost feature like practice. Now I'm going to show you how to use. So I'm going to touch practice with partner, start. Yes, it is you can see it is connecting. It will take some time. Hello.
Hello.
Hello Ritika, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. And Ritika, where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. Where are you from?
I am from Uttar Pradesh, Jhansi district.
Okay, that's great. So, what's your qualification background?
Actually, I am a teacher, Ritika, and I am a government teacher. So
Okay.
I have done my B.Ed and BTC degree.
Okay.
So are you a student or working professional?
Actually, I was working till last year December. Currently, I'm looking for job.
Okay, in private sector or government sector?
Yes, in private sector.
In private sector. So what did you do for your qualification?
Actually, I have completed my BCom from Delhi University, Janki Devi Memorial College.
That's great. Wow.
Yeah,
And which stream?
BCom.
BCom. Okay. So, uh, now let me tell you myself. My name is Rita, and I'm a government teacher. And
Okay.
yeah, actually, I'm a basic teacher, so I have to teach students who come in very poor family student,
Okay.
and I teach student from class first to 8, but 6 to 8 I
Okay.
teach English subject. Okay,
Okay.
so
So,
that's
you're
all
a
about me.
primary school teacher.
Yeah, I'm a primary school teacher.
Okay.
So this is my job. And tell me about yourself. Or which type of I mean to say job you are looking.
Okay. Okay, let me tell you a bit about myself or my workplace.
Yeah.
If I tell you about my job experience, then I have 4.9 years of experience in total. I have started working at the age of 18
Okay.
while I was doing my graduation. So, at the time of during COVID 2020, I started doing job in an international domain. I
Yeah.
was in Zomato, but it I was in international process.
Okay.
So I used to handle international clients. So at that point of time, so after COVID, I joined somewhere else. So I
Okay.
joined in international domain. It was a US in telecom process. So I used to handle the Comcast things. Like in India, there is Airtel Geos, and then if you go in US and UK, then you will find Comcast. It's a
Okay.
telecom company. Yeah. So I
Okay.
used to work for them.
Yeah.
After that, I joined Uber. So for them as well, I was working for international clients like US, Canada. After
Wow.
that, I was doing. I have joined somewhere in gaming background, so it was also a international domain. So I used to handle worldwide players who used to, if they are facing any kind of issues with their games and everything like refund and
Wow.
anything they are facing with our company, so they
Yeah.
reach out to us. We are the core team. We used to handle all the things there.
Oh my
So
God, you have done so many jobs. Oh my God, you are multi-talented girl.
actually, the thing is,
Oh, okay.
at the age of 18, I just want to do things which on my own. So my
Hmm.
mother said that, you have a keypad phone, you have to earn your things on your own. So
Hmm.
I started doing job. Then I first earned my,
Yeah.
from my first salary, I bought my own phone, like
Oh.
smartphone, I would say that.
Hmm.
Then if I have purchased one iPhone, then it was from my own salary. I gifted that iPhone from my own salary
My
to me.
God. Oh, wow, that's great. I really, I glad to hear this. You are a, wonderful girl. And I just ask you a question. What is your
Sure.
age?
My age is 23.
Okay, my God. Minimum, I just say in 23, there are some, girls and boys, they just try to start looking something what should they do for their future. But you have done lots of, jobs, lots of experience in different field. And yes, your communication, that's why your communication is so, fluent and very impressive. I can, your communication style is very impressive.
Thank you so much. Actually, it's a huge compliment from
Yeah.
my teacher. I would say that.
Okay, so my God, I just I am when I heard on your what you are doing and you have done all the things. So I just thinking in 23. Oh my God, you have so much experience. So I should say one thing like.
Yeah.
You should work in communication skill. Your communication is very impressive.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay. So you want to say that I should work in like a training department or
Yeah,
something like
yeah,
this?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
Um, yeah,
No worries. I will definitely try, give it a try. But the thing is, first of all, I want to, place in some company, and after that, I will get IGP, like internal job posting, right?
right, right, right. Wow.
Yeah.
So, my God. Okay, so after in future, what do you want to do?
Actually, currently I'm looking for job in the same field I was. So the
Okay,
thing is, but I want to do a job just for saving money, and I just want to switch my field in some another field. So I would say that I want to switch my field in makeup because I have
makeup.
interest in this. Yes.
Yeah.
So if you heard about something about Parul Garg,
I don't
it,
know, but
actually she's a very famous makeup artist. I would say she's having 5.2 million followers on Instagram.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, do you have any belief? Horoscope, Kundali?
Yes, I do have.
You should go any पंडित I mean to say and उनको आप अपनी horoscope दिखाइए. Okay.
Of course, actually, the thing is, my mother gave my kujli to a pandit. Then she, like, he told that she should, stick to one career, like, I mean, one field only. So she should pick only one thing, and then she should start working on that thing. So I
Okay.
am thinking that I should first save money for my course, and then I will surely proceed on that line.
Okay. And then after that, you will do in this field like fashion designing or makeup artist. Okay.
No, I am not interested in fashion designing, but yes, I'm interested in makeup things.
Makeup things, cosmetics. Okay.
Yes,
Just
yes,
like
yes.
Katrina Kaif because on brand like K Beauty.
Yes, K
Have you
beauty,
heard?
correct.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I have heard about it.
Okay, okay, okay. So yes, you can do. You have a lots of energy, communication skill, and I hope you are looking good. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
actually I am, but the thing is nowadays I am becoming chubby because I was doing doing work from home, so due
Oh.
to this thing. But yes, I have started working on my physical appearance as well.
Physical appearance now. If you have a good figure, good face, and then yes, you can do. And okay,
Of
so
course. Actually, I do have one plus point in my physical appearance and in my looking as so I would like to highlight that. So I have natural curls.
okay, that's great. So your communication skill is good. So why are you using this application? I mean to say you there is some specific reason for this application.
Sorry, your voice was not coming to me.
Okay,
Can you repeat?
okay. I'm going to repeat my question. I just say your communication skill is good. So why are you using this application? Because you have already achieved
Actually,
your goal.
no, actually not yet. Actually, I would like to highlight one point that till last year, November, my English was that much horrible. You can't even imagine that I am here. No,
Oh,
you will not be able to believe that I was not even able to speak my own introduction at that point of time. I would say that.
okay.
But
But
the thing is,
wow. Huh? Yeah, yes. Continue.
but yes, now you will think that how I will get to crack. I was able to crack the interview. How, right? So let me tell you one thing that I used to like recite the whole introduction of my own.
Yeah. Okay. So who suggest you?
I wrote it in a paper.
Okay.
Suggestion for what?
Oh, I mean to say, who suggest you to use this application?
Actually, the thing is, at the very beginning, I was stuck because as far as my experience is concerned, but I was getting very less pay at
Okay.
my previous job. So that's the thing. I started thinking that you should give a try to your English rather than giving multiple things. You should focus on one thing only.
One thing only. Okay.
Yeah. So I was started. I was started learning English like a kid. In
Oh,
first 2 months,
kids.
yeah, I was learning tenses, pronoun, like this. So
Okay.
at that time, I was feeling very less confident on me. But the thing is now, then after learning grammar part, I would say that that tutor told me that you should start practicing. If you not practice, you will not be able to speak.
Okay. So how did you practice? I mean to say there is anyone with whom you could practice.
Yes, of course. I would like to highlight that. I have had one app in my phone that that app name is Lingo Panda. That is a really good app. I would say that.
Okay.
In this app, there is only 30 minutes you can use for non-premium member, right? You
Okay.
have to purchase premium.
So is this free app?
Yes, it's free. Yeah, it's free.
What is the name?
Lingo Panda.
Lingo Panda. Okay.
Yes,
So how can we
LINGO.
use only Play Store? We can
Yes,
download.
you can download it from Play Store. Yes,
Okay.
and it's a free app, and for one person you can utilize it for 30 minutes, and then you can connect to someone else. Then you can utilize again 30 minutes. Then you can use it unlimited time, but for one person you can use 30 minutes.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
great. This is like CV.
No, it's in CV you can talk to only Indians, like.
Okay.
Right? But the thing is, at that like on that app, I would say that you can talk to worldwide people. Like they have a good accent because sometimes they are from UK, Canada, Russia, like from wherever they can connect you to anyone.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So how long have you been using Lingo Panda app?
Actually, I would say that from November or from December onwards, I'm using it. But currently, I'm using CV more.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
from 1 month, I'm using CV more.
okay. So yes, thank you so much. Huh? You are a wonderful
worries.
girl, amazing girl, and I hope your all wishes, will bring more happiness in your life.
Thank you so
fulfill
much.
your all
Wishing
the
you the
wishes.
same happiness.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.